Hello, favorite students. I was challenged to go on 100 walks, so I am taking Nika. Nika, come here. You ready? You go walk? She really likes walking. So, for 100 walks, this is walk 1. And it is Crazy Hair Day. You might have noticed I might have some crazy hair right now. It is Fun Friday and Crazy Hair Day. What more could a person ask for? I like to look at flowers and plants when I go on walks. This is some sort of yellow daisy. Nika. She doesn't care too much for the daisies. She wants to get moving. Spider eating the bugs, right? That's what spiders do. Thanks, spider, for keeping my fairy lantern clean. Yeah, I love the fairy lanterns. My best friend and I used to pretend we could shrink and be fairies, and we would carry these around in our mind and they would be filled with light. It looks like my neighbor's chickens are out. They have been out since this whole coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic disaster. So hopefully they're supposed to be out. I used to have chickens, but too many animals like to eat them, and I don't have a good chicken house like that. And this is a wildflower, and I was so excited because I thought it was a California native, and then I posted it on the California Native website, and they said that is an invasive species. Oh, Nika's gonna pee on it. That's great. So she's peeing on it, and that's okay because it is not a California native, which means it takes up space where a California native could live, which means that it takes over its space. And this is on my neighbor's plant. That is some pretty interesting looking flowers. My neighbor also has rosemary, and the bees are busy eating all the pollen or nectar out of the rosemary. Rosemary is a really awesome herb, and you can also season your food with it and make cool things. It smells awesome. And this, I think, is a California native. If it's not, no one's told me yet. I don't know what it is. Kind of cool looking. And California poppies. They look really beautiful to my eyes, but they look really strange on the camera for some reason. These phone cameras don't really do a great job of certain colors, and orange and red are those colors. California poppies. And another flower. This is called a Douglas iris. California native. Here's another one. I love these. They're really pretty. And I thought this was a California native flower, but it's not. It is invasive, non-native species, which means it came here uninvited and took over where California species could actually thrive or live happily. So, also non-native species. And there is a daffodil. I think daffodils are from somewhere else, like Holland or something. I'll have to do some research, but I'm guessing non-native species daffodil. Look at this gorgeous sky. Western buttercups. These are native. These, I am almost sure, are native. They called them miner's lettuce. You'd think people ate them, or they are edible. But they also have a flower. Native species. Native meaning first, or here first. Oh, my favorite. Nika left me a present. I am going to have to clean up. And here is an azalea from my neighbor's house. He's actually my dad, so hopefully he doesn't mind me cutting through his yard as a shortcut. And non-native species azalea. And this is the end of the walk. This is my fence. So it was amazing to make this video for you. I love seeing my kids. Make sure you email me if you would like to Zoom or if you would like to chat. I would love to hear from you. Have a great day. And division problem. Number 4. If Mrs. Pearson saw 15 flowers and she wanted to divide them into groups of native, non-native, and I don't know, so 3 groups, how many would be in each group? I'm going to give you a moment to think about that. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Talk to you later. Nika's ready to go. Right, Nika? Yep. That means yes. Lovey, are you ready? It's time to feed the dog and cat their num-nums. Right, love? So, Lovey is a famous cat. She has over